is the Climate US. This is independent, nonprofit, and immune to politics. So we're losing a lot in the US. But these people are not like AccuWeather. This is not politically privatized. This is crowdfunding. And they have the 5th National Climate Assessment. And their project director, Rebecca Lindsay, made the Time 100 Climate 2025 list, which was very nice. So the mission, let's keeping trusted climate information up to date and easy to find. It will be a nonprofit successor to climate.gov, delivering climate data and information to promote public climate literacy, which I think is extremely important so people know what's happening. They will equip people to turn knowledge into meaningful conversations and climate conscious actions, which we all need to do, no matter what these people say from Project 2025 or the right wing or this administration. They know. Maybe not the dopes, but they know. Even Bill Gates knows. But Bill Gates is being ridiculous. Their goal is to build an enduring, independent, and scientifically rigorous platform that the world can rely on for climate communication, education, and engagement.
No political interference, no shutdowns, just climate information the world can trust. We have the expertise. We have the plan. What we need now is you. Your donation powers the creation of Climate.us, fuels new content, and safeguards the facts we all depend on.
You can hear this.
Even $1 makes a difference.
Yeah.
Every contribution helps protect the facts. Stand with science. Fight back. Donate today.
Stand with science! Yes! All right. So
Our team.
wouldn't it be nice if Bill Gates would fund them instead of Bjorn Lomborg? What we're bringing back. So, key resources for understanding current and future climate, but they're not using government resources. So they're probably using the world resources that are available. And like I always say, I'm hoping that Canada becomes what we were. I would love to see that happen. I really would. But Europe's got it, but again, we were the gold standard and not gold like what's in the goddamn Oval Office. The gold standard, but they're bringing back new blogs, news and features, event trackers, climate dashboard, maps and data, climate literacy guide, clean collection for classrooms, teaching. Now, that is, if teachers can even teach any of this in their science classes anymore, given the climate we're living in, and I'm talking about the ignoramus, clueless, moron climate. NCA 5, 5th National Climate Assessment. They made the Time 100 Climate 2025 list. This is Rebecca Lindsay who made the list. It's great. I'm very proud of her. And it's wonderful, to see these things. It really is. Because we're losing it. We're losing this. So they had taken it down, but we've brought it back.